Introduction to Google Fonts.
Google Fonts provides a vast collection of free and versatile typefaces. By adding Google Fonts to your website, you can enhance its appearance and readability. This guide walks you through the steps to include custom Google Fonts in your web pages using CSS. No advanced coding experience is required. Just follow these simple instructions to get started.
Choosing a font from Google Fonts.
Visit the Google Fonts website and browse the font library. Use filters to find the style you prefer, such as serif, sans serif, or handwriting. When you find a font you like, click on it to view its details. Select the font weights and styles you want to use for your site, then copy the provided embed code.
Adding the font link to your HTML.
To include a Google font on your site, paste the copied link element into the head section of your HTML document. This tells browsers where to load the font from. For example, add link hef https://fonts.googleapis.com rel style sheet inside the head. Now the font is available for use in your CSS.
Applying the font with CSS.
Once you've added the link to your HTML, apply the font to elements through CSS. Use the font family property for this. For example, in your CSS file or style tag, write body, font family, Roboto, sans serif to change your site's body text to the selected font. You can target specific elements as needed.
Customizing and troubleshooting.
You can combine multiple Google fonts or specific weights and styles by adjusting the link and CSS. Always include a generic fallback font, like sans serif or serif, for better compatibility. If the font doesn't appear, check for typos in the font name or ensure the link is correctly placed. Preview your site to confirm everything displays as expected.
Summary and next steps.
Adding Google Fonts is a simple way to personalize your website's look. Choose fonts on the Google Fonts site, embed the provided link in your HTML, and update your CSS. Experiment with different font combinations to find the style that fits your project best. Explore Google Fonts library for even more options to enhance your web design.